Good evening students. Today we will see the ESIC previous year question papers part 3. Passive immunity is transferred to neonate from mother as. First option IgG, option B IgA, option C IgM, option D IgE. Option B is the right answer. IgA is the right answer. Next question. Which color of light used for treatment of neonatal jaundice? Option A red light, option B white light, option C blue light, option D violet light. Option C is the right answer. Blue light is the right answer. Next question. Pertussis vaccine is contraindicated if the child has. Option A is the right answer. A history of pertussis vaccine is contraindicated to pertussis vaccine. Next question. Projectile vomiting is a characteristic feature of option A pyloric stenosis, option B intestinal perforation, option C diverticulum, option D intestinal obstruction. Option A is the right answer. Pyloric stenosis is the right answer. Next question. Thalassemia is option A Kulis anemia, aplastic anemia, sickle cell anemia, option D megaloblastic anemia. Option A is the right answer. Kulis anemia is the right answer. Next question. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of option A vitamin B1, option B vitamin B2, option C vitamin B6, option D vitamin B12. Option A is the right answer. Vitamin B1. Next question. Vitamin which prevents hemorrhage is option A vitamin K, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin E. Option A is the right answer. Vitamin K is the prevent hemorrhage. Next question. The term used for bad breath from mouth is called option A halitosis, option B pyuria, option C bromidrosis, option D hyperhidrosis. Next, option A is the right answer. Halitosis is the bad breath from mouth. Next, insulin was discovered by option A F. Batting, option B Frederick Sanger, option C Zahner, option D Robert Koch. Option B is the right answer. Frederick Sanger. Next question. Bile is produced by option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D appendix. Option A is the right answer. Liver is the right answer. It is produced by liver. Bile is produced by liver. Next question. Bile is stored in option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D gallbladder. Option D is the right answer. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Next question. The precursor of vitamin A. Option A carotene, option B retinol, option C calciferol, option D nicotinic acid. Option A is the right answer. Carotene is the right answer. Precursor of vitamin A is carotene. Next question. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection? Option A prolactin, option B oxytocin, option C thyroxine, option D HCG. Option B is the right answer. Oxytocin is the right answer. Next, the other name of vasopressin hormone is option A antidiuretic hormone, option B diuretic hormone, option C parathormone, option D none of them. Option A is the right answer. Antidiuretic hormone is the vasopressin hormone. Next question. Which hormone is responsible for diabetes insipidus? Option A insulin, option B vasopressin, option C glucagon, option D aldosterone. Option B is the right answer. Vasopressin is the hormone is responsible for diabetes insipidus. Next, calcitonin hormone is secreted by which gland? Option A adrenal medulla, option B adrenal cortex, option C pituitary gland, option D thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is the right answer. Next question. Normal pH of blood is option A 7, option B 7.02, option C 7.4, option D 6.8. Option C is the right answer. 7.4 is the right answer. Please do subscribe and share. Thank you.